Good afternoon, good evening, everyone, to our weekly training, technical one. So I'll be hosting today a training to start and kick off the trainings. This will be a series of training that we're going to do on weekly basis. No. And we will start with some basics on how to set up an account. This will be beneficial for anyone who's starting with us and who wants to know some details, who probably have some questions. So before we start, just to redo as well a some technical confirmation. Can you all hear me well? Can you see my screen? All is clear. Just give me a number 1 in the chat box. Okay. Guys, I'm not seeing a 1, so okay. Great. Okay, very good. So what are we going to do today? What you are expecting what to expect during the training today? We're going to go to navigate the back office. We're going to do the sign up process. We're going to do some transfers. We're going to do some activation of the license in order to make sure everyone is grabbing this. So usually, Leslie, please, you're raising your hand. If you have a question, just type it in the chat box. Later on, I'll just respond to it. Unless it's something technical, I will have to do it now. So any time during the presentation, if you have any questions, you can have it. So okay, I have couple of other people raising their hands. So do you mind typing your question in the chat box, please? So I can know what type of question. Okay, I'll wait for that before I start, just to make sure it's not something technical. Interpretation is available. Already I activated this. So I'll carry on because I can't see any questions so far. Please, if you feel there is something that you need to ask, just do it on the chat box. So what are you going to use usually, or what do you need usually to start with the platform of AURUM or to access the ecosystem? Definitely you will need to have an email address. You will need to have some funds that usually is going to be in any of your wallets, back office, whether it's USDT or USDC. Let me share with you some details about what we are going to learn as well today. So that's basically what we are going to navigate through. We're going to see how we do the sign up step by step. We're going to see how we create the account, what are the back office details, how to do the what each and every part of the back office mean, where you check your registration, your funds, how you transfer, how you top up, what you see in the accounts, how you activate the affiliate, how to check the affiliate program, what are the finance details that you can check, the program, all of this. So we're going to see the packages, the transactions, where you can see it, how you can top up your account, and how you can activate the subscription as well. And on the same time, how you can buy any of the packages available in the back office, and how you can withdraw your funds. Okay. all this will go through it. Okay, so let me, Mike. Okay, I want to just, because I see multiple hands raised. Okay, Leslie, please, I'm allowing you to talk. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Okay, the chat is disabled.
Okay. Then let me.
That's where everyone's got their hands up.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. I felt
Okay,
this.
no worries.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, I think I enabled the chat, so you may try. Panel attendee. Okay, now I think, yeah. Okay, great. Sorry for this technical small. Very good. Now it makes a difference. Okay. Great. So now we're ready to start. So what I'll do something practical. I don't want to go through a presentation. So I already have prepared some details, but anytime, please raise your questions. We'll go back to answer them if we ever have time. My expectation that this training will take approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Of course, thank you, Leslie, for raising this. So what do we need to do? Basically, first, I will start by registering a new account to AURUM to see how the progress happened. So we'll need, as we said, the email and the link for the back office, like your back office. So where do you find this? You find it usually in your account. Okay, so let me open another testing account and share the screen with you so we can see from where we get it. So in your back office, I'll share this in a second. Sorry, because my this account have already some authenticator, so I need a second to. Or I'll tell you. Let me share. Okay, so usually you can find the sign up if for anyone who wants to sign up through your account. Either you take it from inside your back office or through this sign up link. Okay, whenever you press this, it opens. It will have the inviter code. If you don't want to do it from this part, you can do it via a link. And this link you can find on the top of your office. And this is what I already have copied this. Okay. So we start by doing or following this link in order to do the registration. So this link is the link that you need to give for any person who wants to register through your accounts. Okay. So whenever you open this part, there will be some details that you need to fill. So here I already have, I have created an account or an email where I need to register. So I mentioned the email, I mentioned the phone number. Okay, you can note down as well. And then I create a password. Okay, let's say Okay, I created a password. I think the password is small, upper, okay. Hopefully I remember this. Okay, phone number is not unique. Then I'll need to, because I have already a registered account through this. I will use another phone number. Okay. Okay, so here you need to mention the name, then you have the surname or the family name. You have to create a nickname and the country. Okay, let's say it's test 1. The surname is AURUM 1. The nickname is Firas Training. And then we'll just pick something here. Let me do a print screen just in case we needed this. Next. Those are simple steps. I know that you already have went through this, but it's also good to go through it so we can have an account where we can go and check. So this is where whenever you do this, you will get an email confirmation. In the email, we go enter it, submit. I'll save it. Okay, then we can log into the account. Okay. So let me see. Can you all see my screen, right? I'll stop share now. You can all see my screen now? Okay, I'll share it again, please. Okay, now you can see my screen? Very good. Okay, so this is the account, or this is where you see the accounts. You can see this is where we will navigate. I want you to be familiar with all the details. It's very simple, quite like self-learned. It doesn't have to be taught by someone, but we'll go through it. So here you have the dashboard. Here you have the finance, and where you can get all the details about your account. Here we have the financial proposals, where you can access the bot, the AURUM tokens, the license, the Polygon wallet, flash loan. So we will activate all this. We'll just try to do some deposits now and see how it works. What are the steps? But I want you to know that everything related to your investment and where you can manage it, see the results, is going to be under the financial proposal. Everything related to the affiliate program and where you can grow your team, you can see it under, of course, affiliate program. You have the transactions details where you can track all type of transactions that are happening within your back office, whether it's flash loan, AURUM token, the top-up deposit, the transfer to cards, the license you have purchased. You can filter through those. You can select all the assets that you want to do based on the transaction. You can select some dates to set some intervals. You can see the FAQ and the promo. We'll go through this, but let's, before to go through it, let's first of all, because some part may require some time, which is topping up the account. So what I will do, in the first page here, you can see some summary. Okay, like that's like a dashboard where you can see your main balance. Okay, this one. You can withdraw, you can access the ecosystem. You can see what are your deposits, okay, here. So currently, because that's a new account, we don't have any deposits. So whenever you do any deposits, one of those will be active. So you will see it turn to blue color. This is where you can see your statistics in terms of income. You can do it monthly, you can do it weekly to see how much you're making. This is where you see your affiliate progress. Okay. Guys, there is no screen. Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. For me, it's showing share, like I have shared the full screen. Okay, okay, if you're seeing on the phone, someone is saying you need to swipe left and right so you can see the screen, because I'm quite sure the screen is already shared. Now, I will share it again now. Okay, so there is no technical issue. I'm sure of that. So I'm sharing my screen. As far as someone is seeing it, that means there is no, it's all working for me. So there is no technical issue. So what we will do, in order to activate, we will activate a couple of things. So I just want you to know what kind of funds I'm going to transfer. So first of all, we need to buy this package. Okay, let me use this. So I'm going to use to buy this package. So for this, I'm starting with the minimum. Okay, so I'll do the minimum deposit of 100 USDT. So that's 100 USDT. I'm going to do the transfer. We are going to do an activation for the license. Okay. So we're again going to buy the AURUM token, which are going to cost $100, 195 AURUM token. We purchase this, that's another $100. And in order to activate the flash loan, whenever you have the license itself, you would need to have the Polygon wallet. Okay. So I'm going to send $200 USDT to buy the license and to buy the first package. And I'm going to send some Polygon tokens. Okay. So I'll initiate those. I'll tell you how to do it, and then we proceed to the next. So for me to be able to receive Polygon token, first of all, I need to go here under Financial Proposal, Polygon Wallet, and I need to generate a wallet. Okay, I'll just press Generate Wallet, and it's now your Polygon wallet has been successfully generated. Okay. Then I go to the wallet. I can see that I have 0 Polygon. Okay. So that's from where I can receive my Polygon in order to use it for the transaction fees or the activation fees. So where do you start? You start by the dashboard. And this is where we see the available balance. And I need to have in any wallet other than the wallet I'm showing, like any wallet I have, Binance, Trust Wallet, any wallet you have where you're keeping your USDT. If you are someone new to this, you don't have any wallet, you need to ask the person who invited you on how to create this. Okay. So currently I already have prepared in my Binance account, I have some USDT reserved, so I need to transfer. So usually they are under USDT, and I have some polygons under Polygon fund. And a couple of things, if you are new to this, you need to always check whenever you are transferring from one wallet to another, you need to make sure that the amount is correct and the network you are transferring to is correct. So if I press here, top up my account, first of all, it gives me 2 points that I need to select. First of all, I need to select the asset. So it depends on what kind of assets you have. Do you have USDT, USDC? In my case, I have USDT, and I'll need to choose the network, okay? Whether it's Tron, TRC20, or BEP20, okay? I recommend using the TRC20, and this is a part that you need to make sure that you are noticing this, because whenever you are transferring from Binance or any other wallet, one of the things that you will be asked to provide is you are going to transfer to this address via which network, and those two networks need to match in order to receive the fund. So if I press here continue, it will give me a barcode to scan or an address to copy. Both option works. And here you will find the terms. The top-up commission is 0%. The minimum deposit is $3.3. The fund will be added to your main balance. The confirmation needed is 15. So this transaction will need to go through 15 nodes in order to be confirmed. If you don't see the top-up after 30 minutes, usually it takes much less than that, but you need to contact the support team. So what currently I will do, if you can, okay. So I'll just stop sharing. So currently I will go to my wallet in Binance. Okay. Then I'll go to the USDT. I'll choose take out, withdraw. Then if you can see here, it will tell me provide the the address itself. Next to the corner, there will be a possibility to open a scan, okay, where I can scan. Then I open the AURUM. It captured it. Then I'll choose TRC20. I'll just drop to $30. Confirm. Okay. This is an easy, then it shows that the transaction is happening. Okay. So it should take a couple of minutes, but we are going to navigate through the network through the page to see as well any points you have. So I'll do as well a transaction for the Polygon. This is where let me share my screen again. It's quite straightforward, but I really wanted to capture this through the in the first training, so we know that nothing we're missing from day one. I know it's basics. So again, to get the Polygon wallet, I need to navigate through the financial proposals, go to Polygon wallet, and then I'll press receive. It will show me again a barcode. I go to my wallet. I'll press take out, withdraw. I'll just scan this. It will be through the Polygon. Then I'll just, usually for those transactions, validation, you don't need too much. Few dollars would be enough. Then I'll confirm. It will, all this is happening in like steps in any wallet you have. So that's how you fund your account. Now, all this depends on which level you are going to start. If you are going to start with the big license, or the investment is 10,000, 5,000, whatever, then you need to make this difference. Let's see. So we go to the dashboard. We'll give it some time, then we should be able to see it in a few minutes. Okay, so that's how it works. So then we top up the account. This is from where we top up the account. We already mentioned this. Usually, here we go. It's already there. So here it takes less than a minute. We have the 230 already in the amount in the account. So if I want to withdraw, I'll just, as far as those funds are in the main balance, that means they are not invested in anything. Okay. This is in this part is where you can see, this is where you see the funds you have available. Okay. Okay, let me use this. Okay, so here you can see. Okay. So here you can see the fund that it's available to be withdrawn. Here you can see the withdraw where you can take out your account, and here you can access the ecosystem. I think this is the first part that we need to do. Clear on drawing. Okay. So let's see here. Okay, if I want to withdraw again, I can withdraw USDT. I copy the wallet that I want to send the fund to, and I choose the network. Okay, let's say TR, and I copy the wallet. Let's say the Trust wallet or the Binance wallet. And here it shows you what's the available amount that it's available for you to withdraw. Here you can see, because we have the 230 not used, then it's the available to be withdrawn. Okay. If I now invest this in any of the product that are available, it will be not shown here. Okay. So we'll go back. Okay. Here we can access to the ecosystem. Okay, so your main balance, activate the annual automatic renewal for your subscription. The annual subscription fee is 19.9. Okay, then we can access this. Are you sure you want to subscribe to AURUM ecosystem for $19.99 per year? Yes, confirm the purchase. Okay. Then it will show me here that I'm active now. Okay. And the annual subscription of the ecosystem and market plan benefit is active for 365 days. Okay. So your automatic subscription automatically will renew at the end of the current duration. So this is the first of all, we have been granted the access for the ecosystem. We go back. As we can see, the available balance now is 210.01. If we go to the transactions, we can see that now there is two transactions that are captured. The first one is the top up. The second one is subscription. You can always filter through this, and you can choose, for example, top up, confirm. It will show you the top up transactions. You can clear it. You can see the all the subscriptions, let's say. Then it will show you different transaction type. It's very beneficial because sometimes we get lost on how much we have made deposits or how much we have already withdrawn. So it's a great tool to filter or navigate through this. So let's go to the finance or the financial and activate the EX AI bot. So here we can, okay. So here we can create a deposit. Okay, so here we are selecting which deposit we want to make. So as we mentioned, the minimum is $100, and you can always, whenever to just make sure you have captured this. So we go again. That's the dashboard, the main page. We go to financial proposal, EXAI. You don't have to select of those because eventually you are making a deposit. And the deposit can be any number between 100 and 100,000. And based on your deposited amount, one of those packages will be activated. So whenever this is the deposit balance and the accumulated profit. So the deposit is showing you how much you have deposited, and the profit is how much you have accumulated in terms of profit. So create deposit. You can choose one of two. Either you are doing the deposit from the main balance, which is our case, And whenever you start to build your team, you can also make the deposit from the affiliate balance. Okay. So here, let's say I'm doing the deposit from the 210, I'll do $100 deposit. Okay. The fees 0%. I confirm the rule. I go through it and read it, and then I create. So let's go through. Activation fee for your deposit is 0%. Accrual will start 12 a.m., 12 p.m., depending on the deposit schedule. So currently it's 8:30 p.m. Dubai time. So any deposit I'll do now, it will be activated in 3 hours and a half. Okay. I hope I'm counting this correct. Yes, 3 hours and a half. The minimum amount is $100. The maximum amount is 99, almost $100,000. So I'll go and create the deposit. Okay. So deposit successfully created. Go back to dashboard. Now you can see that my ecosystem is active. The deposit is now blue. It indicates now you have a deposit through this amount in the system. So how to manage this, where to see, what to do, and then I go to the EXAI bot, and here I can see down. Okay, here you can see the deposit, when it was created, how much it is, the status, and here you can see there is a reinvestment button. I can activate or I can deactivate. Okay, and you have the received income. The received income is it's not the same as like the accumulated profit. Okay, so in this page, whenever you see an income happening, okay, let's say $100, after 1 month, it's now you did not activate the reinvestment. The received income is like $15. You will see it here as accumulated profit. It's an amount that yet you are unable to withdraw unless you press this button. Okay, so and this basically, so let me explain to you in a simple way. So this profit, look, like let's say after 1 month it will be 15 USDT. Okay, and this will be activated. Okay, it will be active, and when you press it, it will take it to your dashboard or the main balance available to be withdrawn. Okay, so whenever you see a profit accumulated here, you want to do the withdraw daily, monthly, bi-weekly, whatever, you just withdraw from the profit to your dashboard. Okay, so you go, whenever you withdraw this amount, you go to your dashboard, you will see this amount already added here. Okay, like plus 15 USDT. This is your profit. Then you can go and withdraw it to your wallet. Okay, very easy. So this way we have now, okay, the system active. We have an investment already done in the minimum package. We expect that this will be active within 3 hours and a half. Okay, and in this part, okay, you can see your monthly performance or your weekly performance. Okay, and you can activate the reinvestment or deactivate the reinvestment. You can also withdraw from here, or you can top up in this part whenever this is already active. Okay, so just to also make sure, this is your link. This is the link that you need to provide for anyone who wants to register through you. Okay, and is everything clear up now? All good? Okay, very good. That's the first part. Like, I expect this is something simple, but yet it would be good also to be captured, recorded for all your new joiners. Okay, so let's go to the next part. So this is where we need to activate Okay, again, we go to the financial proposal. Let me activate this. Okay, so we go to the financial proposal. My aim now is to activate the flash loan. Okay, I want to activate the flash loan, but for me to do this, I need to buy a license. So I want to buy this license, which costs $100, 195.12 AURUM. So let's check the wallet. Here we go. Already we have the Polygon wallet transferred available in the wallet now. I go to the token, AURUM token, and then I will need, I'll select USDT AURUM. The amount is 100, and it shows me that the available balance is 110. So let me go and buy 105, 102. I'm not sure if it was 195.2, but okay, that's fine. Let's buy 102. Okay, confirm and buy. It takes few seconds, and this should be there. Okay. Okay, you have purchased 199 AURUM successfully. Your transaction was completed. Go to licenses. Okay, we go to license. Now it shows me that whenever this amount is equivalent to any license that I can purchase, then it becomes active. Those are not active because I don't have enough AURUM token. So in this part, I have this part available, like available to be purchased. Then I'll purchase. Okay, let's go through this flash loan toolkit, your deposit and burn. Before purchasing an AURUM flash loan license, you are required to sign the risk release statement and agreement. By proceeding, you confirm that you have fully read and understood the terms and conditions associated with flash loan service and acknowledge that you have accept full responsibility for any risk. Please note that the AURUM flash loan toolkit is provided as a utility and does not constitute an investment advice. We do not offer specific trading strategies or recommendations for use. If you are responsibility to determine whether to utilize this service and to select features and strategies that aligns with your financial goals and risk. It's like a declaration for the risk. I'll click this, confirm. Okay. Try again. Let me. Okay, I'll validate this with the team, but that's basically the steps that you need to go through. Okay. So those are Okay, no. The polygon is already available. The polygon is available, and the license is 195. We already have more than 195 AURUM. But in all cases, like, that's not the topic. Like, the most important is to know that we have to load the AURUM. That's from where we purchase the AURUM token. Whenever we have the enough AURUM, it gets activated. We have the Polygon wallet where we receive the Polygon. We have the flash loan, then it's going to be activated and it shows as a license. Okay. Let's go to the next, because we will not have too much time. We still have 5-10 minutes to go through, and then we take it from there. So with this, we already have we have captured the dashboard, all the details of the dashboard. In the dashboard as well, you can see some snapshot about your affiliate, your current level, and your next target in order to achieve. You can access the promo, you can access the neobank, and you can access the weekly training academy. Okay, all these details are available, plus the material. Okay, the finance already, it shows the main balance. You can have a quick link on how much you can withdraw, deposit. It shows you the transactions that you already have went through recently in terms of deposit, trial. Even the trial are captured. The subscription, top up, deposit, AURUM tokens. And then we captured the affiliate, the financial proposal. EXAI, we already have activated one package. It's in the waiting. We already went through the AURUM token, license, Polygon, staking is coming soon, flash loan, which is the last part. The next one is the affiliate program. In this part, you will see in this first top left summary, the affiliate balance. Those represent all the amounts that you are receiving from the affiliate, whether they are direct or indirect. You can see the total profit you have made here. You can see the extra bonus you received based on the progress. You can see your current rank. You can see your current rank, the percentage you are able to generate from your direct referral, your level, and the total turnover of your structure, which is the accumulation. You can still see the link where you can register someone, and here it gives you a next level target. So for you to achieve to the next level, this is the amount, the next level percentage, and it gives you the bonus here. Reach Voyager status and get 100 USDT. You are in level 1, and this is basically a summary where you can see where you are and where you are going to be. Here it shows you the percentage of the career status. It shows you the list of statuses and the extra bonus you can achieve. And based on your performance, whether it's daily, monthly, weekly, it gives you an expected income from the team earning. And just basically here, the affiliate link, whenever you start to have people in the organization, you can go and navigate through this list and see the team basically. So it's quite straightforward, very nice page to capture all the summary. It's always nice also to spend some time in this page, go through it, check what are the things that you're getting, you're not getting. Okay, in the financial proposal, I skipped one part, which is the profit calculator. And I have received earlier some question regarding the numbers, because if you mention here, for example, 10,000, and you put the accumulation, you calculate, it gives you 69,334. And all this basically, and I've mentioned this during the presentation today, because usually, practically, this does not accumulate on monthly basis, it accumulate on daily basis, because your profit are generated almost daily. In the example of the presentation, it was captured on monthly percentage level. So it's a tool basically for you to expect. We are going to update all versions to be matching each other, so it doesn't create confusion for you and the team. The transactions also, we already have seen it. FAQ just mentioned some of the main questions, like what's the referral code, how I get it, what's the withdrawal, the network supported for the Dogecoin, all, how do I top up my account, what's the rank in the affiliate program, some common questions that you may need to go through it. It usually answers your first questions and the team. The promo, here it will give you the promo. It's very nice also to see where you are, how much you progressed, which level you are going to be, qualification for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4, for 2, I mean for 1 or 2, in the qualification number 1, 2, 3, or 4, VIP, elite. And whenever you start to progress this, start to move in this direction. So it's a visual and number-wise, you can monetize. It shows you the value as well. And the last one is the material. Here you can see, get an access for all the material, whether they are related to the ecosystem, marketing, AURUM token, education material, video material. You can get an access to all this, download it, keep it in your library, and so on. And the last part is the settings. Definitely, it shows you the settings where we have entered our profile. Security, you can, and this is one of the first thing to do, is to activate the two-factor authenticator. I will not do it now because, but here, if you enable the authenticator, it gives you a code that you need to scan from the authenticator app you are using, whether it's Google Authenticator or any other. But like here, it's the Google Authenticator. You just like press this, activate it, and scan it from your Google Authenticator. And anytime you are going to sign in your account, you need to enter this authentication. It's a security part. And here you can access the Telegram bot notification by pressing this part and following the steps. So honestly, I see it's a very straightforward back office, which is like very well done, self explanatory. You just have to navigate through it, go through the points, maybe ask some questions, and it's very easy to do. I think with this, we are going to finish the first part, but let me take some question. You will have to reach support to activate. Okay. Fine. That's not a part. Like my entire point of doing the training is also to go through on how to accumulate, how to receive, what are the steps that we need to do. The next level, 7,400 for 100%, is from the team or individuals. Let me check. No, it's for the actually it's from both, but whenever you have a new member in direct referral, you'll get 5%. Okay, the indirect, you'll get the difference based on which career level they are. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. I hope this was the expected. Next, not the week, next Tuesday, the week after, on the 26th, we will go through the neobank application. We'll do the XAI Pro and the X Zeus training. Okay, so we will skip 1 week, and the week after we are going to have it. So green fonts, raised hands, please go ahead. Please, what's the purpose of the AURUM and license and the Polygon? Oh, okay. So basically, it's a question. Maybe I did not explain it because of I considered that this is a part, like, what's the main purpose of the license of AURUM? So the license of AURUM is to activate the arbitrage trading. Okay. Let me share again. I'll explain this part and then we close. So because it's essential as far as someone is asking it. So let's so okay. If we can see, let me activate this. Okay. So here, if we go to the flash loan or to the license, we can see some numbers like let's take this one, $600, 1,170 AURUM. The loan margin is $1,200. The daily percentage yield is 0.5%. The annual percentage is 182, and the limit is 200. So what does this number say to you? First of all, it's telling you the loan margin is 1,200. What does the loan have to do with you purchasing this license? We'll briefly tell you. The daily percentage yield, it's up to 0.5%. So basically, that's the percentage you are expecting to receive on daily basis from this license. The annual is 182. The limit is 200%. So the limit is double the invested amount. So if you put 600, the expected amount is to be, or the limit is 200%, like $1,200. So when you purchase this license on the back office, what you are saying to the system, you are saying to the AURUM AI, now I have this arbitrage trading active. So I'll give you an explanation quickly on how arbitrage works, okay? So if you are familiar with blockchain, you know that there is something called coins and there is something called smart contracts, which is basically a contract that executed online. It's not a coin that's sent from one to one, it's a contract, okay? So let's say this on the back side, what happened? Let's say you have exchange 1 and you have exchange 2. Here you have, let's say, BTC price is 0, let's say 100.001, here 100.002. Now this difference in the exchange is an opportunity, because if you buy a coin here, let's say here you buy and here you sell, or reverse. Okay, here you buy and you sell it here. Okay, here you sell, you gain the difference. Okay, but instead of you buying this, selling this, you first of all, you need to capture this to see that there is a difference, and you need to execute it. So that's why there is a protocol called AVI. Okay, I hope I'm spelling it right, but this is basically where AVI will loan you a money. It give you a loan versus some transactions, and this is the limit. Okay, so the AI will go and create a smart contract. Okay, this smart contract is like a contract that's going to be executed on the blockchain. The contract details are, whenever this is captured, I'm doing it the simple way, guys, not technical, not capture me on the technicality. This is the part that everyone will understand. We'll create a contract where it goes, do all this operation, like take the money from Avi, go purchase from here, sell here, return the money, and bring for you the profit. All this transaction is called arbitrage. It's capturing the difference and you will get a percentage. Okay, so whenever this is happening, you will see it happening daily, and it's going to be executed through a smart contract, and you see a percentage every day. That's the limit, 200%. So it's a way of diversifying. Like, I don't want all my money to be in the trading, I want part of it to be in the arbitrage, because arbitrage is not, it's basically trading in a different way. So that's what you benefit from the license. It's like whenever you buy the license, you start to have an income daily basis from the arbitrage. Okay, let me remove all these nice pictures. Clear all drawing. How long does those license takes to be finished? Well, they end the license again. So if we see here the license, okay. So that's the annual percentage. Okay. It depends on how much it takes, but usually, like I have purchased the license, it's now almost less than a year and it's almost over. Because those transactions are not like something available every time. هل هي ما تسمى بالرافعة المالية؟ No, it's not like the leverage. The leverage is something else. The leverage is something and this is something else. This is called like AVI. Go to AVI. AVI protocol is not something dedicated or like it's not. It's a separate. If you go today, so let me open the website. Okay. Okay, let me share my screen. I'll show you this. So if you go to a website called AVI, it's an access to the full power of DeFi. Okay, AVI is the world's largest liquidity protocol, supply, borrow, swap, take, and more. Okay, so that's basically the banks of, that's the financial like word in terms of like crypto word. Okay, today you have banks in the real fiat money where you can borrow the money. Those protocols are liquidity pools where you can create this liquidity and utilize it. So here you can see that there is 59.12 billion of liquidity currently supplied in AVI. Okay. If you go here to see the product, you can see what they develop, but part of it is to creating is to create those protocols like in order to lend money via smart contracts. Okay, so this is where you can this is like the backside of the integration happening for this. You don't have to, if you want to go into details you can, but like that's the entire purpose of having Aurum. I personally recommend to go through it just for you to understand, like not to repeat like, okay, we have flash loan, okay, what is it? So you need to at least once sit and understand what's happening, and enough. You don't have to go through details every other and then, but you need to understand that like, okay, by doing flash loan, purchasing license, that's what I'm doing basically on the backside. How it's happening, I don't care, honestly, for me, and because I want to not, I don't care because like like I can sit and understand it. That's fine. But we don't have to go into the technicality of like exactly how it's happening. But for me, I 100% recommend that you understand what's happening in terms of like what is it in general. Okay, you can just do any kind of research. It will be very easy to understand. Just type AVI flash loan. They have a product called Flash. It's already integrated. So thank you very much. I really appreciate. Can I know from where you're tuning in, like from where you're listening, like where you're? Argentina, Russia, London, UK, Lebanon, Nigeria, Spain. Very good, very good. Thank you very much, guys. Please reach out to you. You have my details. If anyone wants to ask any questions, you can send it to the Nigeria, Russia. Very good. I really appreciate that you are spending some time to invest in your knowledge. Hopefully, we'll do something with the time. And please reach out like to my Instagram if you want, Firas Dirani. You want to get any details, or you want to recommend, or you want to tell me what kind of training your team is currently in need. We can definitely put it in schedule. Egypt, welcome on board as well. Okay, so that's how you spell my name. Okay, it will be. I don't have my link currently, honestly, but it would be. Let me check it. Okay, it's one word. It's one word. Firas Dirani. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day, nice evening, nice morning. Some of you are tuning from Argentina, so I think it's still very early. Take care and see you in 2 weeks' time. Quick update about the card. We'll give an update about the card because something is happening on the background, but definitely the background, the cards are already, the people who have the card already, it's working. If you have anything, you can send to the customer support. If you want any training related to this, we'll do it through the new bank training in 2 weeks' time. Okay? Take care.